A tiger lived in the forest with her 2 cubs. One day, a cow buffalo was walking in the forest. Then a winged tiger comes flying in the air and observes the banana jela as a bait in the middle of the path. Seeing the banana, the cow buffalo runs and eats it. Meanwhile, a winged tiger comes and flies away, holding the cow and the buffalo.
Uh-oh!
The winged tiger takes the 2 to his place and ties them up with ropes. Cow buffalo screams in fear. While that is the case, tiger with his cub, children, I will go and get food. You 2 stay at home without going anywhere. Saying that, the tiger goes into the forest. After the tiger leaves, the winged tiger comes there. Seeing the lonely children, a piece of meat is baited by hiding under a boulder. On seeing the piece of meat, the tiger cub runs towards it. Immediately, the winged tiger takes the cub and leaves. A gorilla sees a winged tiger catching a cub, immediately running from the tree. The tiger grabbed the cub and placed it on his shoulders and ran. Seeing it, the winged tiger angrily chased after the gorilla. Chases the gorilla and scolds him. The gorilla is afraid. Meanwhile, there comes a winged lion.
No! God, please, no! No!
A big fight takes place between a winged tiger and a winged lion. The winged tiger's strength was not enough in front of the winged lion. And the winged tiger ran away from there, unable to fight the winged lion. The tiger saves the cub and takes it to its mother. They hand over the cub to the tiger and tell the tiger what happened.
Help! Help!
A mammoth elephant is passing by after hearing the screams of the cow buffalo. He sees them and goes to them. Goes and knocks those pillars hard and frees them. Meanwhile, the winged tiger saw the mammoth elephant that reached. Reached there, tells his master, Monster Mammoth. The monster mammoth reaches there with the winged tiger along. Monster mammoth winged tigers attack the mammoth elephant together. All are beating hard. The winged tiger flies away from the mammoth elephant's blow. A monster elephant knocks down the mammoth elephant. The mammoth elephant gets up and angrily attacks the monster elephant. Defeat and knock down the monster elephant. The buffalo takes the cow and leaves.